Sandra Osazuwa, we thank you so much for celebrating your birthday with us. A lot of those women have no food for hope today. Those children have no food today, but you are here making sure that they have food, and I so much appreciate that about you. May God give you every good thing that you need on this birthday. Everything that you did not achieve all these years, you shall begin to achieve it. And a big shout out to our sister, Jane Agbonao, who is also celebrating her birthday today. She wants us to give the children some money, and we are going to do all that. Every child there will go home with some accolades today. It feels so good that, going to school next week, you have a pack of biscuits or mineral or things like that. Those things children like. So may God continue to butter your bread as you guys have joined us today to solve all this problem. Okay, put the pictures there, and there's another one of our mama there. Yeah, happy birthday, Jane. These are good people who have been supporting us. May God bless them. Let's go ahead with the birthday celebration. After we have cut the cake. Are you with me?
Yes, boss. We're listening, boss.
Yeah, let's go to the birthday celebration right away. After we have cut the cake and pray for our sponsors, then we can now come back inside to share the gift, so it won't be too rowdy. If you do it outside, it will be rowdy. So let's just go outside, sing a happy birthday to our partner, celebrate them, Jane Agbolao, Itoan, and Osazuwa. Let's celebrate all of them, and we'll go from there, okay?
Okay, boss. Okay. Today is the birthday celebration of one of our beloved partners, Mrs. Sandra Osazuwa, and she's having a big kitchen on behalf of her birthday. Celebrate lots of beneficiaries and the children here at Godsent Foundation. We actually have a big kitchen on her celebration today, and we want to pray that mommy is last birthday in Jesus' name. You live long, in good health, in good state, and in prosperity. The money you brought to celebrate your birthday with us, it will come back to you in plentyfold, in millionsfold, in Jesus' name. Many more beautiful years, in good health, in good state, and in prosperity. So I want everyone to sing a happy birthday song for Mrs. Osazuwa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Clap your hands. Another of our partners, Mrs. Jane Akola, is also celebrating with us today. She brought something for every one of you. She's also bringing 25 wrappers for some beneficiaries. Children, how are you, children? Okay, one of our partners, Mrs. Jane Akola, she said we should give you guys some gifts. Can you hear me? Yes. Now I want you to say a prayer for Mrs. Jane Akola. This the woman here. I want you to pray for her. Who is going to pray for her? Me. Okay, come and pray for her. Hold it. Pray for her.
Pray for our mama.
Please be audible.
We can't hear you, pastor. Small pastor, we can't hear you.
I cover this woman with the blood of Jesus this morning to this gift. Come back again with the mighty name of Jesus. I cover this woman with the blood of Jesus. This woman, I used to do this belly for us week. In morning, we pass this one in the mighty name of Jesus. And the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Another person should pray.
Clap for him. I want another person to pray for her. Another person is going to shout. Hey. Hey.
My name is Lynette. I'm here to pray for Mrs. Jane. I cover her with the blood of Jesus. She won't die in the mighty name of Jesus. Anything will be possible in the mighty name of Jesus. God will bless her and her family in the mighty name of Jesus. And her household in the mighty name of Jesus. Jesus, we trust me, I pray.
Amen.
Okay, everybody now. Everybody, one more prayer for her.
Everybody, one more prayer.
Everybody, let's pray for her. Her name is Mrs. Jane. Pray for her. Pray that God will bless her. God will keep giving her more money. God will keep her healthy. God will give her long life. God will make her fruitful in anything she does. God will protect her children. God will protect her husband.
All right, one more time. They should sing one song for her. One song for Mama Jane.
In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
One song for her.
Let's sing one song for her. Who's going to lead us with the song? Uwese Baba o, Uwese Uwese, Uwese Baba o, Uwese Baba o, Uwese Uwese.
All right. Nice one. Okay, so children, how are you? Okay, if you know you are not in school, raise up your hand. If you know you are not going to school, raise up your hand.
You're not in school.
Know that you are not going to school. You are not going to school.
If you know that you don't need to go to school, not that you have not resumed, but you don't need to go to school. Probably your parents don't need to take you to school. Raise up your hand. If you are going to school, take your hand down.
Nobody school time.
You are not in school. Raise up your hand. If you know you are not in school. This boy with the yellow. Let's talk to him. The boy with the yellow boy. By the camera.
Okay. You don't used to go to school. Why?
What's your name?
What's your name? Miracle.
Why are you not in school, Miracle?
So why not in school?
Because my mother does not have money.
Be audible.
Speak out.
Because my mother does not have money.
Where's your mother?
He's not here.
Where is she? Where is she there?
House.
Why she not follow you come?
No.
Who carried you here?
What about your daddy?
He's not here.
Where is he?
He travel.
To where?
No.
See, when you see your daddy reach.
Sir?
So where is your daddy reach?
Last week.
Last week.
Did he stay with you? Did he not stay with you? What about your mom? Did he stay with you? Stay with your mom?
Okay.
Yes.
Do you want to go to school?
Yes.
Okay, your name is Miracle, right?
Yes.
Okay, sing this song with me. Everybody in the office, sing this song with me. Say, Miracle Walker.
Sing, Miracle Walker. Everybody. Come on.
Sing your miracle today. Come and do your miracle today. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh.
All right, no problem. Miracle.
Sir?
Today is your miracle day. Today is your miracle day. We are going to send you to school. We're going to send you to school and pay your school fees for you, okay?
Amen.
Clap for us. Clap for us.
Thank you, sir.
You should clap for us.
So on Wednesday, you tell your mom to come with you to our office. By Wednesday, you tell your mom to come with you to our office on Wednesday. Did you hear me so?
Yes.
Don't forget. We want to put you in school, okay?
Okay.
All right. So right now,
Thank you,
let's
sir.
give them. All right, you're welcome. I love you, boy. Fine boy, not in school. Don't worry, I'll put you in school, okay? Godsent family will come together and put you in school. Don't worry. So I'll see you on Wednesday, okay? So please, let's start from the front. Let's start and start giving to them as they are taking it. They start going. Start from the back. Peace.
Yes, boss.
Start from the back. So that as they are coming in, they are going outside of the door. Go outside of the door and start from there. As they are collecting their 1,000, they should be leaving. Okay, Miracle. Okay, one of our sisters when they do birthday now, she said she will send you 20,000 naira on Monday. You hear me so? On Monday.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so you come with your mom. Come with your mom on Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's make it fast, guys. Go and get your kitchen woman. Where's kitchen woman?
Stay here. Stay here.
Give and go.
Peace.
Yes, boss.
Give and go. Too much talk. All those women that should live there.
Come outside.
Make it fast. In the meantime, we want everybody to eat, and that is courtesy of our sister, Sandra Osazuwa. Like I said already, our sister, Jane Agbonaho, will be feeding our God-sent people through the week. Because usually at our God-sent daily kitchen, we spend about 25,000 naira to support the kitchen, depending on how many people. So we think that, instead of those people coming there to go home with empty stomach, we can make them food for 3 days with that support. Thank you so much for everyone who believe in my dream. We are making a difference. God bless you, Sandra Osazuwa. God bless you, Mama Jane. Thank you all so much for always being there. You guys are the real God sent. People who never left when the whole world left us. You guys never left when the whole world left us. For us will be well appreciated. All right, Sandra Osazuwa, you see the change you have created. You have created this change. From this moment on, as you have fed these children and these women, nothing will ever lack from you. You will continue to see the favor of God. You see all these children, they just want to have jollof rice. So I hope you are the next person to celebrate with us. God bless you all. Thank you so much. And together, we have made today a beautiful day. One love, my people. God bless you.
No, you walk by your worry. All I do not know.